Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tuning in, chances are you or someone you know has been battling knee pain. It's not just an athlete's issue, it can strike anyone. So, today, I'm diving into the world of natural remedies that can help soothe that pain right at home. Yeah, no need to step out or spend big bucks on treatments. Let's get started. First up, massaging is an excellent way to get relief from the symptoms of knee and joint pain. Using essential oil for massaging your knees is even more effective. As per some studies, ginger and orange essential oils work quite well in getting rid of knee pain. It releases stiffness and reduces pain in the affected part. Next, we're talking about something you might not expect: cold and hot compresses. Both heat and cold compress can be beneficial in lessening the symptoms of knee pain. But the treatment you choose depends on the type of pain you are suffering from. If there is inflammation, then you should avoid heat compresses, as it can make the situation worse. Heat therapy is best for chronic pain like arthritis. In case of sports injury, apply a cold compress. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to get relief from chronic pain like arthritis. It helps to restore the lubrication in the joints, which reduces the pain and makes it easy for you to move your legs. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink the concoction daily before going to bed. Next, let's spice things up with turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for fighting inflammation thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin. Mix a half teaspoon of turmeric powder with a dash of hot water to make a paste. Apply it to your knee and wrap it up with a bandage. Do this twice a day. Moving on to ginger. Ginger oil, ginger extract, or raw ginger are all good for your knees. This common household herb is packed with a compound called gingerol, which is anti-inflammatory in nature. You can make ginger tea and drink it twice daily to get relief from knee pain. Cayenne peppers are up next. The red spice contains an active component called capsaicin, which acts as a natural painkiller. Mix a teaspoon of cayenne pepper with 2 teaspoons of olive oil to make a paste. Apply this paste on the affected area and massage gently. Last but not least, Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfate, which are both powerful pain-relieving agents. It reduces swelling and alleviates the pain. You can put a spoon of Epsom salt in your bath water and soak yourself in it for 30 minutes. Apart from these natural home remedies, performing a low-impact exercise can also help. Ever thought about massages? Well, massaging your knee with coconut oil or olive oil can increase circulation and decrease stiffness. Just warm the oil slightly, massage your knee gently for a few minutes, and feel the tension release. There you have it, folk. 7 natural ways to alleviate knee pain, all from the comfort of your home. Remember, consistency is key with these remedies. And of course, if your pain persists, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay strong and take care of those knees.